Minister wa Ukaria wa ndani Profesa KINDIKI na kinyite NTEERE cia THEERA Igembe kirako kya umuthi mucemanio ni wa kwariria kongerera Ukaria NTEERE ino akiaria AUGITE aciaca maria makagwata magicucera antu makayukirwitaga ari itoria kiwatho nkuruki. Minister uyu nekire akariwirane wa kongerera mabica ma Ukaria NTEERE ino nikenda kuthiria WAGAGIA na wamba wandithia Marion Karugi harainabo.
The last few weeks we have seen consistent attacks, and I must commend our officers, because even if there have been attacks, much of the livestock that has been stolen has been recovered. We have a few that is still outstanding, including the latest attack which took place 3 days ago. The livestock that was stolen has not been recovered because of the weather and other complications that made it difficult for the officers that were tracking that livestock to succeed.
Ni waziri wa Ukaria bondene na matora Profesa KINDIKI akiaria wendera ukinyite NTEERE cia ntobetu ekiongo kiri sub county ya Mutwati gicione mbunge kia Igembe North na rotrimanite na nene Kurikithia Ukaria nikendo soera NTEERE kuthiria mpithukiro cia maitha ba ng'ombe barabethiritwo bakithangikia karibando anda cia gicio mbunge ki witana ndethia cio bamoti wanangurario cia risasi na bangi utotoro
positioned to firm up the measures that we already took. First, as you're aware, we have increased our camps of specialized police units in this area. We have increased the establishment of the camps. The last one was established on Friday, and we are hoping that next week one more will be established.
Waziri KINDIKI na wite mwe mitaratara ira baikite ya kurwa na maitha ni kuongela itua bia Ukaria nikenda kumatia Ukaria.
One of the measures that we are going to take is to increase the number of administrative units so that we can have more assistant chiefs, more chiefs, and even more ACCs to support the work that is being done by the DCCs, the county teams, and also the regional team headed by the regional commissioner. So in terms of administrative units, we are going to operationalize more locations, sub-locations and divisions, and I'll be back again in a short while to oversee that process, and the others will be presided over by the regional commissioner and the regional team from Embu. Also commenced the training of 140 National Police Reservists. The commencement of the training is tomorrow, and they are going to graduate by 15th of December. So I'll be back here to oversee the graduation of additional National Police Reservists to support the work of the regular and other specialized police units that are working in this area.
Ni arakuria siasa kurekotonya siasa mantune ya Ukaria na musiasa wendero keria kwangaratania andu akiri maitha ya akethro akiyukirwe itagaria kiwatho.
Political leaders trying to interfere with security operations and bringing politics in matters counter banditry. We have instructed our security agencies to make sure that the war against cattle rustlers is not in any way politicized. And any political leader who uses politics to complicate the war against banditry, legal action will be taken against them, irrespective of their political persuasion, whether or not they are leaning towards the government political party or the opposition. Will take action against them.
Na anto bethe bai na umariru na betere barabangi nabo ba kweria kuchosea hu waziri tutakwenda nteto cia usalama ciegirwa siasa barabai na mathwania mai tafadhali kango baromba thai kanya ko ikathiri na basiike kuraya na nteto yi kenda tumba kuimarisha woro kuona wamba buraburaare oba bikibiki burathirire kinya ng'ombe utikomba gwebela ku Igembe nyemwe.
Muthia na kuria mwingi kuatania na mabisa baborisi kenda kuona no rumoni bakumba na kirindwa ya kuthiria maitha.
These criminals have occasionally succeeded, unfortunately leading to loss of lives, sometimes even injuring our officers. But I think there are no two ways about it. Kenya must succeed in eradicating banditry. And this administration is the administration that will do that job. I therefore want to appeal to the members of the public to support our police officers to make sure that we are on one side and we isolate the bandits and cattle rustlers on one side. I want to call upon the public to cooperate with security agencies and also to cooperate with national government administration officers to provide us with intelligence and to bear with us as we rally our teams and as we put measures to make sure that we eradicate this problem.
Kiripotera Weru TV kuma Ntobetwe Kiongo Igembe North, Beto Marion Karugi wa Kinyua.